Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find and unlock group chats on WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp. Just like so. After you open up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply drag from the top down like this, and you'll see lock chat right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on lock chat. Having clicked on lock chat, enter the lock pattern. So I'm going to enter my lock pattern. Then the chat is going to unlock, and you see all the group that you have hidden on your WhatsApp. For you to unlock the group, what you need to do is to select a particular group. So you can see this group right here. I'm going to simply select it. Then having selected, what you need to do next is to simply click on the group name from the top. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, turn it on. Then enter your lock pattern. Again, boom, it's as simple as that. So you have unlocked the chat group. By the time you go back to your WhatsApp, then you will see the group on your WhatsApp back lively, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find and unlock group chats on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.